With the kid, goddamn me. We getting our eat on, goddamn me. Let's see what we working with. Sweet potatoes with extra batter, as y'all can see. Black eyed peas and 2 pieces of cornbread. I ain't got no meat. You don't have to have meat with every meal. That's how I look at it. They didn't eat a lot of meat back in the Bible days. It was only fish, bread, and water, and fruit. So, but let's see what we working with. Man, I'll taste the flavor of the bacon and these black eyed peas. Let me shut up on that. I don't want to get too much of my special sauce away, but beans are tender and well seasoned, and every meat, bacon, and I ain't gonna mention the rest, but everything I put it on, you can taste. Let's see what we working with on the sweet potatoes. Peel cut, boil, made from scratch, extra butter. Oh man. Man, only if y'all can taste this. I'm talking about pinch of cinnamon, nutmeg, pumpkin spice. Let me shut the hell up. But man, everything yummy and yummy. I gotta go. I gotta finish knocking it down, goddamn me, on well thing. Yummy, goddamn me. Yummy.